Join us today as we build a Facebook Messenger bot for one of our clients that shows off part of his website and collects qualified leads all on its own using ValueChat. Let's get going. So the client today is FUE Surgeons Directory, and we're going to create a nice little bot for them. The objective is to firstly say hello, welcome to FUE Surgeons Directory. Let us help you find a surgeon near you, and then give them two choices. Find a surgeon near me. We'll then give them a couple of options, which then would be these, and we can actually wrap this up in a very nice web view I'm going to show you now. The second question would be get a free assessment, which would then give you a form, and this will then produce a qualified lead for you. Let's get into ValueChat. Great, so the first thing we need to do is click on import to make sure everything's imported. Then enable our bot by clicking this following button. So if there's no pages in here, you can just click on log in with Facebook to import all your pages into ValueChat. So if we look at our list, there's a couple of things we need to do in preparation. So firstly, we need to create all the little things that we're actually going to have at the end. So let's start with the reply and work our way backwards. Let's get our reply ready. So let's copy this. We're going to go into Postback Manager. This is going to create a template for us. This is the Postback template. I've completed a couple of things for you. So the template name is Reply FUE Surgeons Form. We chose the page FUE Surgeons Directory. The template ID is basically something that you need so that you can identify which template you're going to choose when choosing it. The label is basically going to be segmentation. So if you want to segment certain people in certain lists, you're welcome to do that. So in the text area, I chose text. Just enable the typing display with a delay of 3 seconds. This will give you a nice realistic type effect. And thank you name. One of our team members will get back to you. So you achieve this little name by clicking on name over here. So let's go ahead and submit that. Okay, now with that done, let's get into the form. Click on Messenger Bot and Web Form Builder. Keep in mind that you can actually use any form builder that you want. So if you've got things like Gravity Forms or any other form builder on your website, you can use that instead. Start off by entering the form name, the form title, select your page. If you want to segment, select a label, and now we can select the reply that we've made before. So now let's start with the header and start adding the fields for your form. There we go, our form is all done, ready to click save. Remember to choose a button. This will be your submit button, and you can name it anything you want. And save. Our reply is successfully done, our form is done, so let's get into Find a Surgeon Near Me. Click on Create a New Template. Choose a memorable template ID. I'm not going to choose a label for this one. We've also not set up a sequence campaign. We're going to do text with buttons. To do this, we're going to need 7 buttons. Let's create them now. The first one is Africa. So let's go and copy the link and create the button. We will use a tall web view for this. Create a new button. Copy the link for Asia. And North America. Click on Submit to save the template. And now we can set up our bot. Click on Messenger Bot, Actions. Here we have two options. In this section, we can set up bot replies based on keywords, but we need the Get Started section. To edit this, just click on Edit and Get Started. And in here, we can trigger our templates. So let's choose Text with Buttons. And then create the first button, which would be Find a surgeon near me. We will then select the post back. Find a surgeon. Click on Add More button to add your next one, which would then be Get a free assessment. And here we can trigger the form in our compact web view. To get the web form URL, hold Command key and click on Messenger Bot to open it in a new tab. From here, go to your form builder, click on Actions, View Form, and copy the URL from there. Your bot is set up and ready to go. Let's try it out.